Hello, my name is Liam and I am standing here in Albert Park in Australia, where the Formula One race in Australia is held every year. And I am about to cycle from here to Interlagos via every other 2025 Formula One circuit. Yeah, you heard that right, I am cycling. As the crow flies, there's about 50,000 kilometers between all the venues. This is the chariot that I have chosen for this mission. It's an extremely dumb mission, but I cycled some of Africa last year and I thought of it when I had time on the bike to myself then, and I haven't been able to shake the idea, and it's been over a year. So here we are. I don't really know what I'm doing. This is the first time I'm doing any bikepacking solo, and I don't really know how it's gonna go. I'm kind of just recording this and putting it on YouTube because I haven't uploaded in about 4 years, I don't think. And if I think about this any longer, I am not going to post anything. So how to follow this journey? Well, I am going to be focusing mainly on shorts, TikTok, Instagram. So if you already subscribed to me on YouTube, then you will get all the videos on YouTube in my shorts tab. I will also be doing a few YouTube videos, but they'll be specifically filmed for YouTube. So it might be some Q&As or videos like this. So you can follow me here at liambushrod on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and you can follow my journey there because, oh boy, it's going to be chaos. It's also Friday the 13th, and I'm in June in the Southern Hemisphere, so it's quite cold right now. It's like 13 degrees and I'm out here in shorts. But that's me, hey! Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, in case I hadn't said that already. It's Albert Park, isn't it? Before we get going though, I am going to cycle the entire track here, just to show you how slow I'm going to be going. Because I think, although F1 cars do go obscenely fast and it's hard for people to really get your head around how fast they actually go, I'm going to be comparing my lap time to that just to show you how slowly I'm going to be doing this. Because 50,000k on a bike is far. I did 6,000 in Africa and that was 4.5 months. So this is a multi-year mission for sure. So yeah, without further ado, let's go do that. This is without doubt the most scared I've ever been about anything. I don't really know what I'm doing. And right now it just feels like a silly idea that only I know about. And somehow we've got to make it happen.